Keyword cannibalization is what happens when your own website starts competing with itself. Picture multiple pages on your site raising their hands for the same search, each saying, "Pick me." From the outside, it looks like more content should mean more opportunity, but to a search engine, it creates confusion. This problem often develops gradually. A new blog post gets published, then a similar service page, then a location page built from a familiar template. Over time, several pages begin answering the same question or targeting the same intent. Nothing breaks outright, but rankings start to swing. One week, page A shows up. The next week, page B replaces it. Traffic never settles, and growth feels unstable. When traffic is split across similar pages, none of them becomes strong. Internal links point in different directions, authority gets diluted, and the search engine never sees a clear leader. Instead of one confident answer, it sees hesitation. The root cause is almost always overlapping purpose. Two pages might use different words, but if they're trying to satisfy the same searcher goal, they're effectively competing. This is common with service pages written too similarly, blog posts chasing the same topic from slightly different angles, or location pages that only change the city name without changing the substance. Fixing keyword cannibalization usually comes down to one of three outcomes. Sometimes the right move is to merge pages, combining the best parts of each into a single, stronger hub page. In other cases, a weaker page should be redirected, sending all its authority and relevance to the stronger page so nothing is lost. And occasionally, pages should remain separate, but only if each one is given a clearly distinct purpose that's obvious to both users and search engines. This kind of work is often skipped because it's not flashy. It requires mapping the site, understanding intent, and making deliberate decisions about what each page is allowed to own. But when it's done properly, rankings stabilize, internal links become clearer, and search engines finally understand which page to trust. Once self-competition is removed, another hidden factor tends to surface: how much real substance exists on each page compared to the code that surrounds it. That's where we go next, into text-to-HTML ratio and why content-to-structure balance matters more than most people realize.